good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever the country you are living. This is Mama Africa Food Channel. As you can see, I want to prepare delicious vegetable. Delicious vegetable. As you can see, I have the two type of vegetable. As you can see the ingredient I'm going to use. This I already boil my meat. This is water of the meat. As you can see the meat. I have my fish, goat meat, kidney. This is the thing I go to use. I have my big crayfish. I can see my pepper, onion, garlic. As you can see, here I have my tomatoes inside the grinder. See the groundnut oil I'm going to use. This is the thing I'm going to use today. As you can see them. I have my 2 Maggi tube here. As you can see, 2 Maggi tube. Baby fish. Baby crayfish, as you can see. I already boil my meat. I have a goat meat here. Fish. Kidney. See. Vegetable. As you can see, I have 2 types of vegetable. I have my spinach, the other one. See my spinach. See my onion with pepper, garlic. This is the I go to use today to cook this delicious food. You can see there. This is the I go to use today. You can see there. To use today. Guys, I will see you in my next video after finish cooking the delicious food. I will see you after finish the food. I will show you the end of the food. This is Mama Africa channel. Like and share, thumbs up, press that button anytime I upload my video. We prefer to know Mama Africa or the board. You can see the ingredients I'm going to use. So see you in my next video after the end of the cooking. Bye. See you soon. One love. Bye. Guys, Mama Africa channel food are back again. The ingredients I showed you before. See the result of the food. As you can see the yummy vegetable. As you can see the yummy vegetable. As you can see, I'm going to top it with this. This one is not it's not amala, it's coconut hot. You can grind it. You grind the coconut hot. You can use it to eat the vegetable. As you can see,
good things happen. You can see if people are interested in buying.
You can see the coconut hot.
Sorry, did you drop this?
As you can see, see the food. See the food, as you can see. See the food, as you can see. Like and share Mama Africa channel. Thumbs up. Don't forget to press that button anytime I press my video. We want to know Mama Africa food or the board. As you can see, this is coconut hot. See coconut hot. This is coconut hot. I'm going to top it with this. I do it in form of amala. You see, form of semo, as you can see. Come and join as well. Come and join as well. Like and share. See the food I'm going to eat today. As you can see the food I'm going to eat today. Come and join me as well. Mama Africa channel. You see the food, guys. The ingredient I showed you before to prepare delicious vegetables. This is the result. Mama Africa Food Channel. Like and share. Thumbs up. Don't forget to write, comment, press that button anytime I upload my video. We prefer to know. You can see the time I'm going to use to cook it. See the here, see. You can see the two here. This is the thing I'm going to use to eat it to help it. Even you see. You see the. You see I'm going to use today. To eat the food. See the. Like and share, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye. See you soon in my next video. You are blessed in Jesus' name. Don't forget to write comments. This is Mama Africa Food Channel. Write comments, thumbs up, press that button. Anytime I upload my video, we prefer to know Mama Africa International or the board. You can see the food I'm going to eat today. Coconut hot. I do in form of amala. See. I shall see you in my next video. You are blessed in Jesus' name. Bye. See you soon. One love, keep us together. Bye. See you soon. Bye. See you in my next video.